Yes, I play soccer and basketball. What about you?
I play soccer and tennis. Do you have any favorite sports teams?
Yes, my favorite soccer team is Barcelona. What about you?
My favorite soccer team is Real Madrid. Do you like watching sports on TV?
Yes, I enjoy watching soccer matches. What about you?
I like watching tennis matches. Do you have any favorite tennis players?
Yes, my favorite tennis player is Rafael Nadal. What about you?
My favorite tennis player is Roger Federer. Do you have any plans for summer vacation?
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents. What about you?
I'm going to the beach with my family.